Welcome back to Fox 9 Good Day.
Fresh, homemade ingredients can make a big difference when it comes to elevating some of your favorite go-to recipes.
This weekend, a local chef is teaching people the basics of making your own pasta at home. Before she does that, she's going to give us a little sneak peek. We've got Chef Laura Bonicelli. Did I say that right?
Bonicelli.
Bonicelli, of course, that's what it would be. She says you're telling us it's easier than we might think.
Oh, it is really easy. I mean, the key to it is using good ingredients. And of course, we have farm fresh eggs from the Minneapolis Farmers Market, and semolina flour and double O flour. So that's it. No salt. It's just basic.
Okay.
And I already started rolling some out.
So can I back up already?
Yeah.
So you just have flour and eggs?
Yes.
Huh, that's it.
Flour and
okay.
eggs.
And you just,
sorry, I was like, I must have missed something.
Put it into a dough.
Yes.
Essentially, and then you flatten it out.
Yes.
Okay.
And I've already done that, so I can go through the machines, and then you just roll it through like that. And by the way, you don't have to have these fancy, beautiful machines, but they are really a dream to work with.
Sure. Okay. If you don't have one of these machines, what would you use instead?
Well, I learned to make pasta by hand, so no mixers or anything, and then we used a broomstick to roll it out.
Okay, a broomstick. I love it.
Cut it by hand, and then hung that broomstick between two chairs and dried the pasta that way. And I did that every week since I was 8 years old.
Okay, so you definitely don't need all the fancy stuff.
No, and my grandmother I don't think would approve of this, but oh well.
And did you say, do you need to refrigerate it for a certain amount of time or not at all?
Not at all.
Not at all. Okay.
So once you make it, you've got about a 3-hour window.
Okay.
And then you have to use it. It doesn't refrigerate well. So it's a commitment.
Noted.
Right.
So then, like, you've got your spots and you're drying it. How long does it dry?
It'll dry here for about an hour. Once it starts to curl, then you take it off. Otherwise, it will crack.
Okay.
And then maybe 6 hours later, it's dry. But you can cook it fresh. You can cook this right now, or you can dry it and cook it later. And you have about 2 months to use it.
Oh, okay.
So it's worth it. Not have to wait for it to dry. You can just cut it
right in the water.
Throw it in. Okay. Well, then this feels like kind of one of those questions that gets a little divisive. Is like, how long should you cook fresh pasta?
This is a 4-minute pasta. So, and it's a little bit, it depends a little bit about how thin it is, so it's a personal preference.
Yeah.
So, but I always start tasting at 3 and then usually go up to 4.
Is it more if you've dried it fully? Or is
no,
it still
it's
the same? Still the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you threw out some numbers in there from start to finish. How long is the process, give or take?
I'd say about 4 hours.
4 hours. Okay.
You want to let the dough rest for a little while. It's easier to work with.
Okay. You have a beautiful bowl created here. There, but you're filling it. Americans, we've gotten used to just a big old bowl of pasta, and there's nothing else other than a lot of cheese. Maybe.
Right.
You are throwing so many vegetables, greens, like. So
well, and that's the point of us doing a pasta event at the market. Is we want to teach people that pasta can be a healthy part of your diet, but A, it has to have good ingredients like farm fresh eggs, and B, you can go to the market and prep all of these vegetables, and you've got a week's worth of food, and these are superfoods, so they're low in calories, high in nutrition, and they pair beautifully with pasta. So it's balanced.
So what are some of the things? Zucchini?
Yeah, these are zucchini nose. Yeah, this is an eggplant.
Oh, an eggplant.
These are mushrooms. They have a beautiful mushroom vendor at the market, and these are oysters, and some lion's mane, roasted peppers, fresh green beans. There's still corn, thank you. Beautiful little carrots that I roasted, and some red onions.
Sure.
How about the sauce? Do you have a preference?
The sauce, this one I have bubbling over here, is a smashed cherry tomato sauce. It goes together in 20 minutes.
Okay, so what are you adding any spices in that, or
just basil and garlic with a little salt and pepper?
Sure. And you just let it kind of simmer, and then you smash it.
Yep.
That's kind of fun too.
It is really fun. Super fun. So do you want to do this?
Sure. Let's try. Let's try.
So all you have to do is line it up and run it through like that.
How many times are you going through?
We're going to go up to 8. So these rollers come together as you go up in numbers. So now we're going to 3. And are you going to
supposed to do this one? Okay.
You can do that one.
I believe in you, Kelly.
I don't know. I did tell them we had this on our wedding registry years ago, and then I returned it because I didn't think I'd ever use it.
Hopefully the person who bought it for you isn't watching.
There's still time. There's still time. So am I supposed to be changing the numbers?
Yep.
Oh, whoops.
That's one go up one.
Okay.
There you go. And it doesn't take any flour. This dough
is
not sticky, and that's really essential for these machines. If the dough is sticky, you have problems. So
okay, so
I could see that.
That's your indication that maybe you messed up.
And then for the class this weekend, give us the scoop on that. You need to sign up ahead of time?
Sign up ahead of time. Tickets go on sale at 10 a.m. today. And I'm bringing 12 pasta machines. I actually own 14. So it's going to be just wonderful. And we're prepping all these vegetables ahead of time, so we'll be eating, we'll be making pasta, we'll be having a great time.
That's the key. There needs to be tasting at the end. Again, that is on Saturday at the Minneapolis Farmers Market from 9 to 10:30. You can sign up at eventbrite.com. Thanks so much.
You see how much it's grown?
I'm proud of you, and I'd clap, but I'm holding something in my other hand.
Thank you, Steph. Appreciate it. We appreciate it. All right, forget about career climbing. Younger people are changing the trajectory altogether.
Fox's Meredith Gorman takes a closer look at their new strategy.